Hey guys, in today's short video I will show you how to mount our scope bases on the CZ457. On the right we have the CZ scope base made of aluminum. On the left we have steel scope base made by JK Nastroy. To mount these bases you will need 2mm hex key. The closest I could find in Imperial is 5/64 of an inch. You will also need a torque screwdriver or torque wrench. Step 1. Always make sure you have an empty chamber. Step 2. Loosen the grub screws on the base. Step 3. Slide the base on your rifle. The aluminum base should fit right in without any issues. The steel base, on the other hand, might need a bit of convincing due to tighter tolerances. As before, start with loosening the grub screws. You can test fit it, but the chances are that the base won't slide in as easily. In that case, I would suggest using a bit of lubricant on the base and on your rifle as well. The scope base should fit a little bit better, but if you're still having trouble, try using a mallet with rubber head. Gentle tapping should be enough. Once in place, set your torque screwdriver to 1 Nm for aluminum base and between 2 and 2.5 Nm for the steel one. Now just tighten your grub screws and you're good to go. And for the CZ parts team, I wish you happy shooting.